In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required message on your 2019 and up Toyota RAV4. Now this comes on about every 5,000 miles just to let you know that you might need some maintenance soon, but it doesn't indicate that there's anything wrong with your vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and start the car. You'll see after a few seconds I get the warning message. There it is. So I can close out of this by hitting the arrow button on the steering wheel. And now you'll see the multi-information display. You're going to go over using the keypad arrows on the steering wheel over to the right to the gear icon. Then go down, continue off the bottom of the screen, and you'll see vehicle settings. You're going to press OK and hold, which brings you into the vehicle settings. Go one selection down to schedule maintenance, and all you need to do is push OK and yes. And now the message will no longer show up when you start the vehicle. Just to show you, I'll turn the vehicle back off and back on. And you can see the message is gone.